Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the right tools and exposing the old mechanism so you can work efficiently. First, slide the door to the center and lift it a little to relieve track pressure. This prevents dropping the door. Use a screwdriver or hex key to remove the interior faceplate screws and set them aside. Once the plate is off, you'll see the lock assembly. Make sure to note orientation and how the connecting rods or cam engage so reassembly will go smoothly. With the faceplate removed, pull the old lock straight out and keep small parts together to avoid losing them. Compare the new unit to the old one so you understand which way the cam and latch sit. This prevents binding later. Insert the new lock into the cavity and align the cam with the exterior handle linkage. Reinstall screws only finger tight so you can fine-tune alignment. Make sure the latch moves freely before tightening, because misalignment causes jamming or failure. Finish by tightening the lock screws securely, lower the door back into its track, and operate the handle several times to confirm smooth action. If the latch binds, loosen the screws and fine-tune the lock position. Adding a thin shim behind the lock can correct depth issues. Once smooth, lubricate the latch and cam with a silicone spray. One troubleshooting tip: if the latch won't engage, check striker plate alignment and move it slightly rather than forcing a misaligned lock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.